Hi guys, in this video we talk about Nokia N73 Pro versus Xiaomi 14 Pro. Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $899. The dimensions of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9 mm. Xiaomi 14 Pro dimensions: height 6.35 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.5 mm. The weight of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 230 grams. Nokia N73 Pro comes with 220 grams. The Nokia N73 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with front and back glass titanium frame. And the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM cards supported. The display type of the devices: the Nokia N73 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 6.81 inches screen size. The Xiaomi 14 Pro 6.73 inches screen size. And the resolution of these devices: the both devices come with 2K screen resolution. Nokia N73 Pro comes with 518 ppi NST. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 522 ppi NST. The refresh rate of the device is same 120 Hz. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 92.1% screen to body ratio. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 89.6% screen to body ratio. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Xiaomi Longjing Glass screen protection, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with Leica lens, and it's record 8K 24fps video. The selfie camera of the devices: the Nokia N73 Pro and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 4K 60fps video. The platform of the devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and both mobile come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU is same Adreno 750 in both mobile, and it's come with Android 14, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Android 14 HyperOS. Let's go to the memory setup. The both mobile come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage: the both mobile come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 4880 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 120 watt fast charging. Nokia N73 Pro comes with 90 watt fast charging, and the both mobile come with 50 watt wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, and the result of these devices: Xiaomi 14 Pro got 24 points, and the Nokia N73 Pro got 25 points.